Okay guys, we're going to learn how to use WODIFY. Now on my phone I have this little folder here at the top left. It says WODIFY. And in there I have three apps. WODIFY Core is my admin app. WODIFY is the standard app for all gym members. WODIFY Rise is the challenge app for anybody in the challenge, including those who are doing it from home. We're going to go over with this video WODIFY. That's this one right there. When you turn it on, it will show you this. Today's date, March 9th. Program, CrossFit Level 1. That is my default program. It will show your default program. It will show the workout of the day if there is one. Now, if I want to see what the workout of the day is for Krav Maga Level 1, I hit the program button and change it to Krav Maga Level 1. If I wanted to see what it was for Black Belt Prep, I would do Black Belt Prep. Now, since there is no Black Belt Prep class today, it says no WOD found. If I want to see the WOD for tomorrow, I can try, but the WODs aren't released until 6 p.m., so it's not going to show me tomorrow's. And if I want to see yesterday's, I can also see yesterday's. Now, at the top right, you see three little lines. I'll give you a second to look. Top right, three lines. We're going to click that. Then we get this menu. Today's workout, that's the screen we're in right now. Class schedule, add results, whiteboard, performance history, my appointments, nutrition journal, WODA find, settings, and log out. So we're going to start from the bottom. Log out is obvious. Settings is obvious. If you have any settings to adjust, do so in there. WODA find is something that you'll use when you travel. If you click on WODA find, you'll be able to Google what gyms have WODIFY. And there are typically discounts if you travel for WODIFY members. So if you happen to be in Baltimore and you want to find a WODIFY gym, you can do so using this app. Okay? Map view and list view. And you can search right here. Nutrition journal. We do not use this. We use other nutrition resources, including the online portal. Our regular members can use this, and what you do is you fill this out and then hit request review at the bottom. I will be notified, and then I will review your nutrition plan on a scale of 1 to 4. Okay, so this is a helpful resource for members of the gym who are not currently in a challenge who want to be evaluated on their nutrition. My appointments is for people who are doing private lessons. If you're interested in private lessons, please do not hesitate to ask. We do them and we love them. Performance history is my performance history. You go to component, you pick the thing that you want to see your performance history in. So I could just pick like, oh, the German, that's a tough workout. Where was it? Here. Boom. And there's my performance record. April 26, 2015, I did this workout in 47 minutes. It's a terrible workout. I click the date, and it shows me here, and I can edit the score if I want. Okay? So if you see at the top, it says gymnastics, lifting, Metcon, total, or add. This is how I add performance, and this is how I review my performance. This is very handy in tracking how you do as an athlete, because we don't want you to just lose weight. We also want you to track your score because we are going to make you fitter. Fitter keeps you out of the nursing home. Healthy keeps you out of the hospital. Fit keeps you out of the nursing home. The whiteboard are today's results. So if you see, this is literally today, March 9th, 2019, when I'm filming this. These are the results for today with notes. You can see the WOD and the results, and you can choose men, women, or all athletes. Okay? And you can also change your program. Okay, add results. This is how you add results for today's workout. Class schedule. This is the last and most important. Let's say you want to come to tomorrow, Sunday, March 10th. You want to come to 9 a.m. CrossFit. In the middle, you see today in white. You see Friday 3/8 in red and Sunday 3/10 in red. I'm going to click Sunday 3/10. That changes this to Sunday, March 10th. You will see that there are 3 people reserved for 8 a.m. and 1 for 9 a.m. We have a 15-person cap. Reservations open 24 hours in advance. So I can reserve my spot right now by clicking reserve. Now, when I click reserve, it will then switch to green and say sign in or cancel. Reserve saves my spot. Sign in verifies that I showed up. Do not sign in until 8 a.m. on Sunday. If I change my mind, I hit cancel, which I can't do because I have that icon in the way. There we go, cancel. All right, now, you can only reserve classes up to 30 minutes before. So 30 minutes before class, you're no longer good. However, if you look and there's 10 people reserved and 5 extra spots, you're probably okay to show up and dip into class. Okay? You can only cancel 15 minutes before. So try not to cancel 5 minutes before class. This usually isn't an issue, but we do that because we have a 15-person limit, and the last thing we want is for you to take somebody else's spot if you decide to cancel at the last minute. It's really just rude to other people. Now, let's say I want to reserve my class for Krav Maga. I change my program to Krav Maga. Where it says program, and now the box is in orange, that's the box that I hit to change this. Now, if I really want, I can just do all programs and see every class that is on Sunday. There are 4 classes: 8 a.m. CrossFit, 9 a.m. CrossFit, 9 a.m. Krav Maga level 1-2, and 10 a.m. Krav Maga level 3-4. It also shows who's instructing it at the bottom. This is how you reserve and sign into class. And then finally, we can come back to the today's WOD screen, which is your default screen. This, my friends, is how to use the WODIFY app. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to ask. Love you all. Until the next video, bye-bye.